Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about thermal expansion of solids. Here we have taken here you see this is the stand of ring and ball experiment. This is a ball of metal, and here you see this is the ring, right? Now if you see whether this ball is passing through this ring or not, you see here, yes, it is passing through the ring. Since the ball is passing through this ring, we can conclude that the diameter of the ball is less than the diameter of the ring. Here you see, the diameter of the ball is less than the diameter of the ring. That's why it passes through the ring. Today we shall discuss about thermal expansion of solids. And here you see that this ball is a metal and it is a solid. Now we will see what happens when we hit this ball. Let us find. If we hit this ball, what will happen? Let us find. This is known as ball and ring experiment, right? And other things we have taken, this is a matchbox, this is a candle, this is a pencil, right? And in this way we will show you how solids expand on heating and contract on cooling. Now let us hit the ball and see what happens. And here you see that we have taken a mug of water. Now let us hit this ball and let us find out what happens to it. Here we take the candle and let us lit the candle and hit the ball. Here you see that we are heating the ball with candle flame, and let's see what happens. We'll heat this ball up to 15 to 20 minutes and we'll see what happens to this. What happens? Let us see. You see, we are heating the ball with candle flame. You see here that we are hitting the ball, and let us find out what happens in this case. This is an experiment of ball and ring experiment. We already told you that this is the ring and this is the metal ball. We are hitting the metal ball, and let us see whether it passes through the ring or not, and what happens if we hit the ball for some time. Here you see that we are hitting the ball. Let us see whether it passes through the ring or not. As you see, that is in the ring. That means when we hit the ball, it expands. That means the ball expands and the diameter of the ball is now greater than the diameter of the ring. That's why the ball is stuck in the ring and it does not passes through the ring. That means the diameter of the ball is now greater than the diameter of the ring. And now if you cool this ball, then what happens? Let us see. Here we have taken a mug of water, right? And if we cool this ball, let us see what happens. Here you can see that when you hit the ball, the diameter of the ring, the diameter of the ball increases and then the diameter of the ring. That's why it is not passing through the ring, right? That means when we hit the ball expands and the diameter of the ball is now greater than the diameter of the ring. That's why the metal ball doesn't pass through the ring, right? Now let us see if we now we'll see if we now you see if we cool this metal ball, what happens? Let us take a glass of a mug of water and put the ball in the water to make it cool. Let us find out what happens after cooling the ball. Here we've taken out the ball. Let us put the ball in the water and see what happens to it. Here you see, we are taking this ball, you see, and if we put this ball in water and let's see what happens to it. Here we are taking this ball and put it in water. That means we are cooling this ball. Right? Here we pull this ball and let's see what happens. Right? Now you see we pull this ball. Again put it here. Right? Now you see what happens to this ball. And here you see that. Now we'll see what happens to this ball. If we again put this ball in the ring and see what happens. Let us take this ball and put it in the ring. Here you see it again passes through the ball. That means we can conclude that this is the thermal expansion of solid. When you hit the ball, the diameter of the ball expands and the diameter of ball increases and then it doesn't passes through the ring, right? And when we cool the ball, the diameter of the ball decreases, right? That is, on cooling it contracts and the diameter of the ball is less than the diameter of the ring. That's why it passes through the ring. Here you see, we can conclude that solids expand on heating and also contracts on cooling. We have proved in this experiment, in ball and ring experiment, that solids expand on heating and cools and contracts on cooling, right? Here you see that this ball is now passing through this ring very easily. You see this one. That means after cooling, the ball passes through the ring because after cooling, the diameter of the ball contracts on cooling and the diameter of the ball is less than the diameter of the ring. That's why it passes through the ring. We can say that this is the thermal expansion of solids. And we have shown you that after heating, the ball doesn't pass through the ring. That means the diameter of that ball increases when we heat the ball and it doesn't pass through the ring. And when we cool this ball by water, it contracts and the diameter of the ball is less than the diameter of the ring. That's why it passes through the ring, right? And this is known as thermal expansion of solids. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.